today I am reading. You can keep talking, just recognizing about that. I told you the girl's going through it. We got a new setup, but I think I like this one more than sitting on the floor. What do you think? Besides all that, sorry for all the background noise. I am outside, so you're gonna hear wind, the dogs, the cats, the cars. You're gonna hear it all. Today I am redoing my wardrobe. I realized when I was picking out my stuff for work that I really just have sweatshirts, jeans, leggings, sweats. That's all I got. And I need something else. I'm ready for something else. Normally, when you ask people or you look it up on the Googler what to do when you want to revamp your wardrobe, the first thing they say to do is make a Pinterest board of what you might like. I don't think that's the first step. I do think that is a step, not the first step. I think the first step is going through your closet, because you bought that stuff because you liked it. So you kind of have an idea of what you like already. You just maybe need to be reminded. So the very first step is to go through your closet. Going through your closet is multiple steps. So I'm currently on the first step, which is this. I took out every single piece, and I think you should do the same if you're looking for a wardrobe change. I took out every piece of clothing I had, one at a time. I looked at it, relived some of the memories and whatnot, and I put them into 3 piles. Love it, like it, I don't want it. So the love it pile is things, the self-explanatory. It's things that you love, like your favorite thing in the whole entire world. You love it when you put it on, you love it how it feels, you love it. The like it is, you like it, it's cute, and it's either something you said you would wear when you got bigger, got smaller. It's something you wear that you don't know where you're gonna wear it to, but you like it. Or it's something that you liked at a time that you still kind of like. The third pile is, I don't want it. And that's self-explanatory. Anything that's defective, broken, ripped, torn, ratty, doesn't fit, it's out of there. So once you do that, then you're gonna go ahead and try on the pieces that you love to make sure that you still love them, because sometimes you love something and then you put it on and it's not giving what it's supposed to have gave. The like pile, you're gonna try those on too, also to make sure that it still fits. Even if it doesn't fit, it lets you see, I like this if it fit perfectly. So it gives you more of an idea of what you want to add to your wardrobe. The last step to cleaning out your closet is putting everything back, but putting it back organized in the way that you dream your closet to be. But it's also going to let you look and enjoy going to your closet and know when you're looking at new pieces, like, oh, this would go great with this, and this would go great with that, and this would look so good just in my closet and part of my wardrobe. Side note, I know I've been talking about the closet, but when I say closet, I mean everything that you wear. That's including pajamas, underwears, leggings, sweats. So if it's got holes in it, it's gotta go. If it's bubbling at the seams, it's gotta go. If it's riggedy, raggedy, raw, whatever, it's gotta go. You gotta update everything, and that includes well-fitting underwear, well-fitting bras, cute matching pajamas. Now, as far as pajamas is concerned, I am a strong believer that it doesn't have to match. It just has to be not raggedy and cute. Like, it doesn't have to match. It doesn't have to be a matching set. But if it's just cute and it fits you good, that's what your pajamas need to be. Because when you wake up and you look put together already, your whole day is going to be put together. Because you woke up like this, put together. You see what I'm saying? I am currently on step 1 of cleaning out my closet. I can't wait to get to step 2, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, gave you some information. If you too are cleaning out your closet or wanting to update your wardrobe, let me know some ideas of what you came up with to kind of clean out your closet or update your wardrobe. What worked for you, what didn't. See you guys in the next video.